I'm bored.
I just told you that scary shit just now, right? About me.
Yeah, but it was like 5 minutes ago.
Okay, what about the Walking Dead game on my iPad? Maybe that will entertain you.
I tried playing it. Too much chatty. Zombies ate me. Not enough action. Boring.
You know what? You really have ADHD, okay? That game is dope, man. It's got story.
No, it's boring as hell.
Okay, why don't we watch a horror movie? You kind of like that, right?
Yeah. Let's do that. Wait, did you hear that?
Yo, what? You keep hearing things, seeing things. God, aren't you supposed to be Freddy Krueger? You're supposed to go haunt people. You're not supposed to be the victim.
Yeah, but still, they tend to creep me out.
Oh, Lord. I should have just gone out with somebody else, with Jason from Friday the 13th, man. It would have been more fun. We would have been sawing people and hacking them. Instead, I got you. Wuss!
Yeah, but you won't be able to talk to Jason because he's not a talker like me, okay? So you're stuck with me. Too bad.
Sorry, next year it's going to be Chuck.
Chucky? I think Chucky?
Yeah, Chucky, sorry.
You would trade me for Chucky, that tiny little thingamajig.
Hell yeah, man! Chucky is more interesting. You're freaking wuss.
He's a plastic.
Hello, we live in a plastic world, okay? Plastic is more
He's a
interesting now.
plastic.
As opposed to long fingernails.
Hey, and this is way cooler.
Okay, I am pulling up a Asian horror movies list
Okay.
here. Okay, I've got Nang Na, Ju-on, Vampire Hunter, Jangan Pandang Belakang, and Boot.
Boot.
What do you want to watch?
Ain't that a Hindi one?
Yeah.
Let's play the Hindi one, the Bollywood version.
Shabu.
If you did not think us
Don't you agree that Asian horror films are a lot more scarier than the Western ones?
Only because they keep using the same girl in all the movies. Remember how I think they duplicated the girl from The Ring in all the other Japanese movies? Because I swear to God, when I was watching The Curse, I saw her
Yeah.
in there. When I was watching A Tale of Two Sisters, the Korean movie,
She was there.
she's there in every movie.
Yeah. You know, I don't understand the fascination with female girls with long black hair and that being scary.
It's kind of like you, isn't it? You have long black hair.
Yeah, but I'm not scary. Remember?
Why I like Asian horror movies better than Western movies is because they're very quiet.
That's true. They don't actually build up the entire scene of the scary scene with the scary music.
Yeah.
With Asian films, they build it up visually
Yeah.
rather than the audio. So you are drawn into whatever the fuck is being shown at
Yeah.
you. And that will scare the bejesus out of
Yeah.
you because then you would jump.
This tension is created in the back of your mind, in your subconscious,
Yeah.
and you're going like, what the fuck's gonna happen next? What the fuck's gonna happen next, The Asian sensibility, the Asian art of filmmaking, it works better in the horror genre because you have these quiet cutaway shots in between that makes it spooky.
Exactly.
Suddenly they have, a shot of, just a static shot of the house, everyone's gone to bed and it's quiet. But in Western horror films, it's like they're waiting to get to the next part of the film, of the plot.
Yeah, it's moving and moving
So
and
it keeps moving, and there's never these quiet moments where you build up some kind of tension. And the stories they try to make it as real as possible,
Yeah.
so they don't like make it seem like it's totally unbelievable.
Exactly. So it's not over the top scare.
Correct.
It's very, very subtle. It's very, very creepy. It's not like a Hollywood big studio blockbuster horror flick.
So what is the scariest Asian movie you've ever seen?
Oh god, the scariest I've ever seen that caused me nightmares. For the first time in
Yeah.
my life, nightmares for 2
Yeah.
whole weeks. It's actually this Thai
Yeah.
film called The Scream at Kamchanot.
ระหว่างคุณกับผมจบสิ้นกัน
ไหนเข้าไว้ไงคุณเป็นผู้หญิงคุณชื่อ
ใช่ ผมมีผู้หญิงอีกคนหนึงที่สุด
It's the movie about a movie that is being shown to the ghosts. Who knew ghosts would want to watch movies, right? I mean, like, what the fuck?
Yeah.
The movie is actually very slow, it's draggy, but it's because of that dragginess and the creepiness and things that doesn't pop out, but it creeps and crawls out to you. And that caused me nightmares for 2 weeks, Persis. I couldn't sleep properly.
Why am I not surprised? Oh god, such a wuss.
You know what makes an Asian horror flick horrifying?
The fact that also that you are not in it as well, Freddy Krueger.
And I'm not in it too.
That's right.
Yes.
Yeah. From this ghost's point of view, that I think the most irritating film I watched was Nang Nak. It's supposed to be a classic from Thailand, right? It tells a story about this famous legend in Thailand about how this woman was like the devoted wife, and her name was Nak. Okay, but the problem comes in when her husband's name is Mark. Okay, so if the wife's name is Nak and the husband's name is Mark, can you imagine what the dialogue in this film is going to be about?
Nah.
Nam Chị Nam Nam ơi
Anh Mark. Anh Mark. Anh Mark. Anh Mark.
Nam ơi
Anh Mark.
Japanese films are scarier, but I think the Koreans do it better because I think they bring down the level of quietness a notch up.
Well, actually,
Yeah.
for me, if it's Asian, like how
Yeah.
Raven mentioned to us, at one point in time, if you want to
Yeah.
watch a horror flick, you just turn off the audio and then you realize that it's not scary at
It
all.
is not scary at all. It's just visuals already, right? Yeah. I watched The Ring, right? The Western version of it. It's totally not scary, man. I think the only takeaway message that I had from that movie was do not pirate video cassette tapes. Seriously.
Maybe you should do that to an online movie.
I think so. This is this is a word of advice to all movie studios producing horror genres or any kind of films or whatever, okay? You want to beat piracy, you're gonna have to consult with a medium who's got a kick-ass ghost, who has mobile phone services from the afterlife in order to make phone calls to people with direct death threats 7 days after they have downloaded the illegal copy of the film.
I would suggest getting a Toyo because they're easier to pack.
Exactly, yeah. The smaller it is, the better.
It's far more compact.
Yeah, because basically that girl who appeared in The Ring, she's completely overexposed right now. Yeah, anyone who sees her is not gonna get scared of her.
Yeah.
So you need a completely different kind of Asian spirit.